guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my mini size dashboard layout, and I'm going to be using the older version of the leopard print, which is wild styled. This was released last year, I believe, by the Happy Planner. So I'm filming ahead of time. And let's see, I don't have any dividers that'll fit this planner yet, so I need to get some. I've just got a little post-it note here. So today is actually Tuesday. I'm filming ahead because I have a pretty busy week this week, and I'm not going to be able to do like my filming at the end of the week like I'm used to. So I did go ahead and pre-choose my stickers that I want to use. I'm trying to make my videos a little bit quicker. So for this top part up here, I'm just going to layer a couple boxes. And this one says, always believe in your wildest dreams. And I think I just kind of want to layer this. Is that straight? Yeah, that's pretty straight there. I may go and cut out that box behind there. I'm not sure yet. So I didn't mean to show you these stickers that I chose to. So, but anyways, I'm trying to make my videos go by a little bit faster, so that you guys aren't watching 30-minute plan with me's. So I've kind of got them off to the side here so that you can't see exactly what I've got going on. Now I'm going to cut off this today part of the sticker because I don't want it to say today, because it's going to actually be a list over here on this side of my page. And then I think I want to kind of layer this noted box or sticker very crooked. Let's try that again. The sticker looks like it's kind of cut weird because it's like offset, like the white is offset. It's still crooked. Let's try to straighten that up one more time. Okay, now I'm going to white out the focus down here. Is that still crooked? Maybe it just looks crooked to me. I don't know. Y'all tell me, is it crooked? I guess it won't bother me for 7 days to have to look at a crooked sticker. So I'm going to take some of this leopard print and put down here in this bottom corner. This is going to be one spread of mine that does not have any florals. I don't know. Maybe I could throw some flowers in. We'll see. So I think I'm going to come all the way to the bottom of the page. Now, of course, I've got a lot of grid back here in this background, but I'm not gonna worry about whiting out all of that grid. We're just gonna go with it. So we'll cut these off. And that's a lot of layering there. I wonder if I should move this down just a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. So I kind of like this Stay Wild sticker too, just to kind of fill in this gap over here. That's cute. I kind of do feel like I could put some flowers in here. So we'll see what I can find. I am going to take this To Do and layer it up here where I cut off today. That way that box actually has a purpose. It can be a little on-the-go to-do list. So that's a lot of layering there, and I really do feel like I need some pretty pink florals to go in this spread somewhere. So we'll see what I can find. All right, let's go to the other side and put in my stickers, and then we'll come back and see if we can't find some flowers that'll match this spread. I did see, I don't remember who it was, somebody used the florals from Simply Lovely, I think it was, and they paired them with this wild styled. So that may be something that I could do. I just moved that leopard print over a little bit so that it doesn't cover up my Monday. And I may be able to still use that little piece there. So we're not going to use a ton of leopard print over here. That's actually probably going to be all that we use. No, I'm not going to use that. So let's put a couple boxes down. So for Tuesday, I'm going to come over here. So this is my on-the-go planner. I really don't write a whole lot in here. And then I think I'm just going to come up here with this today sticker just to bring some black to this side. And then I've got a bigger one to go on Friday because Fridays are usually busier. Friday is usually my grocery pickup and errand day. Oops, that's crooked. So let's straighten that up, and then I've got a little black to-do sticker that I can put over here for like an on-the-go to-do list. And I might be able to put a little bit of leopard on the side there. Or maybe I should put it on Tuesday. Ugh. There's a piece of sticker stuck here. Okay, maybe I won't use that one at all. All right, and then we have a little quote that says, "Get out and chase your dreams," that I'm just going to put over here on Saturday and then carry it over to Sunday just to bring in some of this gray color to this side. All right, so let's see what we can do about flowers. Let me get my Simply Lovely sticker book. Okay, that took a minute to find because I actually had it laid out for a different spread. And I think the flowers are here at the front. So now I'm not sure how this is going to look. We're just going to play and see how these flowers are going to look with this. I think I kind of want to stay small. I'm trying to find one that I think will look cute over here. Let's just try it and see. There's only one way to find out. Just do it. I think those flowers need to go over a little bit. So hard for me to do things like left-handed. I wish there was a different one. Maybe I can come under here because I do want like my green to still show. Oh, this is so hard left-handed. I'm struggling, y'all. I'm struggling. I think that is cute. Now I kind of feel like I need a small one up here. This is definitely going to be different, but what is a spread if I don't add flowers? Y'all know how I am about my flowers. This is super sticky. Get some of that sticky off. I think that is cute. What do y'all think? I feel like I need a little something up here. Wonder what it would look like to have a couple little leaves coming from underneath that box. Let's try it and see. Maybe one more. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. All right, so let's go to the other side and add a couple flowers to this side. So I'm probably just going to still stick with some basic smaller flowers because of course this is a mini layout. And I think it might be cute to put one down here in the corner. And then maybe one or two more, and this spread will probably be finished. I wish I could remember who it was that I saw do the leopard with the florals, but I can't remember. So if you're watching, I'm sorry. Comment below and take your credit because I can't remember. Let's see. Now I think I might want to do maybe one floral and then some leaves. So maybe like one flower here and some leaves somewhere. Let's see how that's going to look. Because I have the leaves over on the other side. This is so cute. But I kind of feel like, let's try to put some in the top corner maybe. Not too bad. I mean, not great, but not bad. And I think that's probably about all I've got for choices. Yeah, because the rest of these are super big. I don't know if I like those up there. I feel like it's too diagonal. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's almost like there's just not enough up here. So I wonder what it would look like if I came in with a floral and just put across the top. Maybe like this across the top of both pages. I don't want this to turn into a flower spread though. That might be cute. We'll see. Let's cut this and see how it looks. I am going to have to re-punch if I keep it this way. It still feels too diagonal for me. Over here. I don't like that. But I think I'm going to keep it that way. All right, let's re-punch. I think I'm just going to keep it that way because I'm kind of out of ideas. So now let's see, this is the big punch, so let's hope that I can line this up correctly. Yep. All right, I do see one little piece that needs to be trimmed off over here. So let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. These little leaves there. I messed that one up. Okay. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. So this is what the spread looks like. Y'all let me know in the comments below if you like the leopard print with the flowers. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.